Hello, this is Dr. Altman. I'm going to be going over just a couple combining forms. I know at the beginning it seem like it can be a little bit overwhelming. So I'm just going to review a couple of the different type of combining forms, and we're going to go over a couple questions, see what you know. So there are three different kinds of word parts. There are combining forms which give the medical meaning of the word, suffixes which are at the end, and prefixes that are at the beginning. So combining form is the foundation of the word, suffixes at the end, prefix, it can or cannot be there. It's optional. So if we look at it, what this person do? They're running on the treadmill. And if we have a look at this person, they're running on the bike, so they're riding their bike. And this person, they're climbing on the the Stairmaster. And if we look at all these three things, running on the treadmill, and then doing the bike and the treadmill, the Stairmaster, they're all good for the heart. They're all good for the heart. We call that type of exercise cardio. So cardio means heart. Now the term, cardio means heart. Now every word has three different parts, or every combining form has a couple parts. We have the root of the word, / combining vowel, which will 99.9% of the time be an O, and then we have our combining hyphen. Okay, so a combining form gives the foundation of a word, give main word its medical meaning, has a root, / combining vowel, and a final hyphen. Okay, some words are like their English counterparts. So if we look at these words, abdomino sounds like abdomen, appendo, appendix, arterio, artery, intestino, intestines, laryngo, somebody gets laryngitis, what do they lose? They lose their voice. So larynx means voice box. Musculo and myo both mean muscle. Thyroido, thyroid. Tonsillo means tonsils. And veno means vein. But sometimes it doesn't. So let's go over a couple. What does this person have? If you were to say that they had a disease of their hand, what would they have? We would think they would be arthritis. So our combining form arthro means joint. What would this be on this person's tongue? Well, it doesn't look normal. It would be more something that's abnormal, or almost looks like cancer. So carcino would mean cancer. This person, running on the treadmill, cardio, good for the heart. So cardio means heart. What is this surgeon doing? They're making an incision. The combining form sizo, which is CIS, and then a combining vowel of O, means to cut. What would this be behind the person's ear? I'll give you guys a hint. It would mean fluid-filled sac. That would be a cyst. So cysto would mean cyst. Cysto actually can mean two things. It can mean a cyst or a fluid-filled sac. Cysto can also mean bladder. What powers a light bulb? Well, look up. You have one that's illuminating the room here. Well, exactly, electricity. So electro means electricity. What type of infection does this person have? And I actually have to change the slide. What type of doctor would this person go to? They would go to a dermatologist. Obviously, they look gnarly. Okay, so dermatologist, dermo or dermato means skin. What surgery is done to morbidly obese people in order to make them skinny? Okay, we would do a gastric bypass. In a gastric bypass, what happens is that we're bypassing the stomach. So gastro means stomach. And in a gastric bypass, here's the esophagus, the stomach, and then the first part of the small intestine. Well, with gastric bypass, we actually bypass the stomach. What's this? Hint, think woman. It would be like an x-ray, a mammogram. So mammo means breast. And this would be a picture of the nose. Naso means nose. And what does this little person look like? Kind of crazy, kind of psycho, right? Okay, psycho means mind. So this person looks like they're not all together there up in the mind. So psycho means mind. So again, these terms, arthro-meaning joint. I mean, you can have a look, pause it if you want. I'm going to move forward. What did it cost Adam to get Eve? It cost Adam a rib. So we use the term costo to mean rib. Costo means rib. Who's had their hepatitis shot yet? I know I have. What does it prevent against? Hepatitis actually prevents against inflammation or infection of the liver. Itis infection, hepato. Hepato means liver. And this is actually a picture of inflammation, enlargement, and actually cirrhosis, or scarring of the liver. What's removed when a woman gets a hysterectomy? The uterus. Exactly. So utero means uterus. Actually, for uterus, we have three different terms. We have utero, hystero, and vitrio. Okay? Cholecysto means gallbladder. Costo means rib. Entero, intestines. Hepato means liver. Hystero, uterus. And leparo, which we didn't cover, means abdomen. So, how do you memorize that? Let's go over... Okay. Here we go. Let's see what you guys know. So, which combining form means heart? Give you guys a second to answer. That would be number 2. Cardio would mean heart. Which one means muscle? Musculo and myo both mean muscle. Which combining form means appendix? Number 2, appendico. What combining form means skin? Derma would mean skin. Which combining form means stomach? Gastro. Remember, gastric bypass would bypass in the stomach, so gastro would mean stomach. You're going to work in a nursing home, and notice Mr. Jones is talking about how his arthritis is bothering him today. Using your knowledge of medical terminology you learn in class, you know that arthro means number 2, joint. Okay, so that's an example of different combining forms and how we can use it. I hope you guys learned something. Any questions, just go ahead and shoot me an email, shoot me a text.